Hello friends, my name is Ayerah Fatima. Today we are reading this book. This book's name is Oxford Reading Circle. Let's open. The wind and the sun. An owl is sitting in a teak tree. Hoo! See the owl. Hoo hoo! Owl, what do you mean? Asked Boone. The owl opens his eyes wide. Who is strong? Asks the owl. I am, said the moon. You are too. But the sun is stronger. The wind is strongest. Really? Said the owl. Ask them in the morning, said the moon. The night is dark. The owl cannot see in the sun. See the sun. The owl can hear wind. Whoosh! That wind is strong, says the owl. In the morning, the sun rises slowly and gently. The owl is tired. The wind is still blowing hard. Who is stronger? Asked the owl. You or the sun? I am, said the wind. No, I am, said the sun, hiding behind a cloud. Let's find out, says the owl. Look, can you see that man on the road? Make him take off his coat. That's easy, said the wind. The wind blows and blows. The man feels cold. He holds on to his coat. Let me try, said the sun. The sun moves from behind the cloud. The sun shines brightly. Soon the man is hot. He takes off his coat. That's clever, says the owl. You are strongest. Bye, friends.